Well, annually we do this along with our DVS Organizational Day. For the last 3 years, this is our third year doing it. And it became a challenge between the four facilities of Department of Vehicle Services to build a car. As you know, anything that goes up must come down. So we push the cars up the hill, they're put up on a ramp, and then at the signal from our assistant director, the car gravity takes over. It starts rolling down the hill, and the first car to the line is the actual winner. Last year and this year, we've incorporated things that are recycled of nature. So last year we used 55-gallon drums. This year we had to incorporate wood pallets in our build as the major component. And along with that, this year we also had to incorporate an endangered species, or become an endangered species in the world. Each facility has their own team and their own car. They all pick their own design and how it's built. But the entire team contributes to what we actually do every day on a daily basis. And to have something like this put together to honor these individuals is phenomenal. We look forward to this event again next year, as we have for the last 3 years. We'll look forward to coming back to Burke Lake Park. It's a beautiful day out here today, so what's not to like?